begin the broadcast with breaking updates coming in of another video of the February 4th Parliament ambush. This is the second video that has been posted by Kiran Rijiju, and Kiran Rijiju is asking who can justify such behavior, saying that BJP MPs maintain the dignity of the House. Now, this is a video that has been put out by the Union Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiran Rijiju. There is already a video which shows very clearly that the opposition MPs not just stormed the well of the House, but even came towards the Treasury benches, and they were near where the Prime Minister is seated. And the video very clearly shows that there were BJP MPs who were pleading them with folded hands, but they did not listen. This is the second video. Take a look. All right, let me go across to my colleague Pragya joining us on the broadcast. And Pragya, there are two videos now. The question is, can the opposition now deny what was being said by the BJP? Because this is video proof of what happened.
Pratibha, and in fact, I was in the house in the media gallery, and I have watched those scenes. They just not crossed Prime Minister's chair, but they crossed into Treasury benches. And in fact, up to the fourth and fifth row, all the Congress women MPs who were present at the time, they approached. And in fact, that was the time when Mr. Ashwini Vaishnaw was sitting, on the second or third row. He pleaded, "What are you doing?" And he also can be seen speaking to these women MPs and requesting them. Giriraj Singh also came and with folded hands, and also Prahlad Joshi for that matter. He also requested them to go back to their well or either to their seats and not crossed into Treasury benches, because there is, strong hunch. In fact, even in the BJP MPs, if there had been an argument, war of words, scuffle, all of these scenes could take place at that time, because they were very aggressive. They were chanting slogans, and if BJP MPs chose to react to those slogans in any which way, there could be very ugly scenes in the parliament. And this is exactly what Mr. Kiran Rijiju has spoken about, that there was all intention of the Congress MPs to incite, provoke the BJP MPs, and to an extent where they had crossed into the Treasury benches. They also tried to approach Nishikant Dubey, because Prime Minister was not there. They kept on standing, near Prime Minister's chair. But as they could see that there is no reaction coming from BJP MPs, they walked into the Treasury benches, and in fact they started towards, Nishikant Dubey.
Okay.
And